In this video, I will show you how you can fix Face ID required stolen device protection is turned on any iPhone. Now to fix this issue, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Now just enter your lock screen passcode. Now from here, just scroll down and you will find the option for stolen device protection. Now just tap on stolen device protection. Now just disable this toggle. From here, just scan your face using Face ID. Now after you do that, you will turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone. Now if you're trying to disable this option from a different location, or if you're using a different Wi-Fi network, then you will face a security delay. Now for that, just tap on Start and you will start a countdown for the security delay. Now the countdown is for 1 hour. Now you can leave your iPhone for 1 hour. Now after the countdown has been finished, you can come back again to this page and you can disable security delay. But just remember that you should not power off or restart your iPhone while the countdown is running. Because if you restart your iPhone while the countdown is running, the countdown will start all over again. But you can use your iPhone normally while the countdown is running in the background. And this is how you can fix Face ID required stolen device protection is turned on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.